Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix voice chat not working in GTA 5. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up sound settings, and then you need to make sure that your input and output device is selected the right one, and also it has quite a good amount of volume here and here. And after you do so, then you need to go to more sound settings. Make sure your basically headphones or sound system is set to default here, and then what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to properties, and make sure that also it's not on mute here. It has good amount of sound. Make sure that the studio quality here and also these two options is selected, and this one is basically not selected, right? And then on the recording thing here, make sure also your microphone is set to default. Then go to properties, then make sure to as you can see here, also it's not muted here, and all it's on DVD quality, and also these two options is selected here. And then what you need to do here is to run the game and open up volume mixer. And once you run the game, make sure that your input and output device is the right one, and when you run the game it should appear here GTA 5, and here make sure that your GTA 5 is not muted here, and also it has the good amount of sound here as well, and also your output and input device is on default or selected the right ones, right? And after you do so, then open up device manager, and then you need to go to sound and video and game controllers here, and here update all your basically your things here, right? And then the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.